How to rotate a picture in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open Photos library, and here you can select a photo, and then here you can see these three lines. Now click on it. After clicking on it, then here you can see the option crop. Now click on crop, and on top you can see the square icon. If you want to rotate your photo, then simply click on square and it will rotate. And if you want to flip your photo, then simply click on this option, and here you can rotate your photos by different angles like that. So this is the way to rotate a picture in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.